Hello friends, today we are going to draw a calligraphy based on Happy Navratri. First, take it alignment. This is an alignment where I made it for a happy, and this is a alignment which I made it for Navratri. 3 for happy and 3 for Navratri. Yeah. Now we are going to start. Take your marker. If you got a different kind of calligraphy pen, even also you can use it. Now I am going to start. H A double P again P and Y. This is a happy done. Now I am going to Navratri. N A V R A T R I. So it's a simple handwriting. Now I'm going to make it double by using my same marker. Make it all standing lines thick. Do not convert slipping line into thick. Only a standing line. Convert all the thick standing lines I am making in front of you. Slowly here my written content Navratri is done. Now I am going to shade it inside with any other different color. I am going to take it green color and showing the shadow. Shadow will be on the all right direction. Slowly, it should be far from the alphabets. Here my happy is done. Now going towards Navratri. Slowly, in calligraphy alignment is very important, so you need to make it alignment first. Even distance is also that much important in the letters, in between the letters. My Happy Navratri calligraphy is done. Now I want to show some features of Navratri. I am going to make it one dandiya with a dark green color crossing with each other. Here is my dandiya. Now I want to show a dole, a drum, showing here. You can design it inside. Even you can make it Chennai. Here is our Senai. So music instruments. Now I am going to fill little bit color inside. I am going to take it yellow color so it will highlight it. Few yellow color. Just giving strokes. If you want to show some multicolor inside like orange color, yes, you can make it, giving the strokes. Here is our Happy Navratri calligraphy is ready.